Hi, I'm going to do a quick video on how to replace the batteries out of the Savi's lightsaber. So to begin, it's best that you take off the blade, and that's just by pushing down and rotating it counterclockwise. And you'll know when you hear this sound. Pull it out, put it to the side, and then you're just down to the hilt. From here, you're going to go to the bottom piece, which is the opposite of where the blade was, and rotate it out. And then from here, you're going to see this. This will come off by pushing it down and rotating it counterclockwise, and it'll become loose. All you have to do is pull it out, and you just have to focus on this. So from here, the batteries are inside, and it's being covered by this one little screw. So if you have this small screwdriver meant for like glasses, it'll be the best tool to use. So unscrew it. The screw doesn't completely come off, and then once it's loose, all you have to do is just slide this black cover off, and then you'll have these 3 AAA batteries. So nothing complex, it'll easily come off, and you can easily replace it. And then once that is done, basically you're just going to do everything backwards again. Put the cover back on, screw it tightly. There you go. And then this will go back into the bottom of the hilt. There we go. And then for this, you gotta push down and rotate clockwise. So I'm gonna do that again. So if you hear that, that means there's power, and like those batteries are actually good. All right, and then screw this back on. And then from this point, you can test to see if, once again, test the batteries are good, and try to turn this on without the blade. So if you hear that, it's good. And then the final test, or final thing to do, put the blade back on, push it down, and rotate it clockwise. And there you go. And then final test. There you go. And that is it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.